Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can get the video project tab from in the Photos app. So if I just go here, initially it was not there. So I'll just open it. If you see here, video editor is coming and video projects also used to come in some places, but this was not coming. It was only collection, albums and people. Okay, so what I did was I searched a lot in YouTube, Google, and all, but I could not find any solution. So what I did, I just went to this website. I'll just copy it and show it to you on. So go to this website. If you see, there are three options how you can reinstall the apps, default apps. So the option was one is for all the apps, whereas the option 2 is for specific app. Option 3 is for again a specific app from Microsoft store, right? So I didn't go for the option 1 because I don't want all the apps. So I went to option 2 and I went to, yeah, so if you see here, all the names have been given, app names. So you just go down and if you see here, there'll be Photos app. Yeah, so this is the Photos one code. So just I have taken this and put it in the CMD command prompt, CMD, and I just typed it and hit enter. It got installed, but it didn't install anything. I mean, it didn't add the video projector. Sorry for the noise. Yeah, it didn't add the video projector. So I went for the third option to reinstall apps from Microsoft Store. So I went down, I clicked on this photos over here and click on open Microsoft Store. And then I just installed it. I have already installed it, so for you, it might come only the install button. So click on install, and once the installation is done, you can close it and go to your Photos app. And I saw here video editor, and I could able to merge them, import. Okay, so yeah. So in order to add the projects or add the videos, click on add over here and click on from this PC and then go to the location where your video projects are. Suppose for example, I'll be merging these two. Just select both of them. Okay, make sure it is a MP4 file, otherwise it will not get loaded. Okay, so again go here and let me just make it as details. So if you see your MP4, this is MP4 and this is MP4. I'll just select these two and click on open, and I should drag them to storyboard over here and just add it the way you want it to be merged. Okay, once you're done with this, you can do all these operations over here, whatever you want, or just click on finish video. It will merge both the videos and get exported to a location. Okay, suppose let me just click on this. I'll just click on export. It will ask me for the location where I want to store it. I can store it wherever I want, and then I can upload it anywhere I want. So this is how you can merge video projects. And the video projects, the demerit is you cannot move from one screen to the other screen for recording. So that is one demerit which I found. So if you are in a single screen, like if it's sorry, what I'm talking, it's not for that. I'm talking about game bar. Sorry for that. So yeah, this is how you can get your video projects in your Photos app. So if you like the videos, please do like and put your comments, give your feedback, any improvement here. I will be happy to add it. Thank you everyone. Have a very nice day. I'll also add the link where you can go and install that software again. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a very nice day. Please do subscribe and like the videos. Bye.